All right, let's talk about the cold and lake effect snow taking place across the eastern quarter of the nation here. I should say eastern two-thirds of the nation, but the northeastern quarter of the nation seeing that lake effect snow. So we'll talk about that. But look at the lows this morning, seeing some pretty cold stuff at Alaska Building now after a very warm October. Seeing some single digits above zero now in the Canadian Prairie provinces, much warmer than it was yesterday. Yesterday we had teens below zero for actual low temperatures, but the cold air modifying and sagging south. In fact, the 24-hour temperature change here earlier today showing readings down 15 to almost 35 degrees from what we had yesterday morning. So a number of frost and freeze concerns today in the southern third of the nation here, Oklahoma, Texas, east, even out to the mid-Atlantic region here. But this is going to go from this morning and into Wednesday morning with lows into the teens, 20s, and 30s. And then we also have some lake effect snow potential here ongoing yet through this Tuesday. Readings anywhere from maybe 3 to 6 inches or more in a few spots. But you can kind of pick out those areas with the winds coming across that relatively warm lake water. So there goes the colder air. As we get into your midweek and Thursday, actually see a little warming taking place. And then heading into this upcoming weekend, we're going to watch this next storm system develop in the southwest. But today, here in the eastern two-thirds of the country, 10 to almost 20 degrees below average. Tomorrow, the eastern third of the nation, still about 10 to 15 degrees below average. But there's that warm-up, and this is going to start to move on in as we get into the day tomorrow, or I should say the end of the week. But there's that front, again, crossing through with minimal amounts of snowfall. And then there's that next storm system developing by this upcoming weekend. And looking out into early next week, precipitation up and down the Mississippi River Valley looks a little bit higher. We'll have to wait and see how much cold air gets wrapped into the system because we could be talking snowfall. We'll keep you up to date. Have a good one.